Now to the final of a three-part primetime news special report looking at how parents of special needs children have been coping with homeschooling during COVID-19. Here's Krista Campbell.
Dr. Orlean Brown Earl is a child psychologist and family therapist who also lectures at the Northern Caribbean University, NCU, in Manchester. She says parents have been expressing anxiety about helping their special needs children learn at home.
Those where the children have the reading disability, the math disability, whether it's, dyslexia, dyscalculia, those are the parents who are a bit more frustrated.
Donnelly Bowes says she's not been able to work because her son, who has attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, ADHD, requires a lot of her attention. She believes counseling would be more helpful to parents than the children with special needs.
Some of them do not understand what is been taught to them. So it would be best to work through the parents, and then the parents will know how to work it out with the child. Sometimes he act up around the school, and as him see me, it's like an innocent child. Teacher always say, "What did you do?" I just show up.
While noting that it's easy for parents with special needs children to get overwhelmed with homeschooling, Dr. Brown Earl says they must be patient.
The child is there and there to write the number 3, and the parent is holding their hand. Whereas at school, the teacher would be there and be patient and said, "Okay, I want you to make that first curve, then I want you to make the next curve." Because you must remember also that the family members at home, they're busy looking about breakfast, lunch, and dinner. They're also busy looking about possibly going to work depending on the type of jobs they have.
Meanwhile, she notes the upside to homeschooling special needs children.
It has given me more time to spend time with my child, know exactly what my child is about, and to know a different side of my child.
We do have parents who have found out, sir, that they didn't know their children were so low in terms of academics. So it can be a plus if you look at it that way, because now hopefully they pay more attention to the special needs.
And as schools prepare to reopen in September, an advice to the parents of special needs children.
Some of the children now, they will need assessment afterwards. Plan for that. Prepare financially for it, or whether it's going to be through the government system. Plan to have your child assessed so that when the regular academic program starts again, you will know where your child is, and the teachers will be able to work with the children to maximize their potential.
I recognize myself as a super mom because I have to be in the know for every area of my child's life. Because when he's upset, you don't know what's causing him to be upset. And it's not like a regular child you can go and tell, sit down. I want to thumbs up the moms and dads who have special needs. It's not easy, but we can do it.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.